Black America is like creating a mock-up by Trey Knowles. Black America is like creating a mock-up. Let me define what I mean. Because of the trauma due to slavery and the lack of a foundation and education, Black Americans have become like dummies exploited by sinful behavior, so they can never get ahead. Because of their lack of knowledge and behavior, they have cursed themselves. The reason why Black Americans treat each other badly, it is a learned behavior from the slave master. If your slave master thought of you in a negative light, then you will think of yourself in a negative light. If your slave master was wicked and had no foundation, what do you think of his slave, who was raised by the slave master? If a slave master treated his slaves like animals, that same treatment is like animals being exploited in a circus. When you free that person from slavery and circus behavior, what type of foundation was given to that person? So yes, Black America is like creating a mock-up, an image that derives from wickedness. If the slave master chases money or things in the world, then the slave who follows his master will also chase money and the things in this world in a circus fashion way. This is the stronghold of the slave, and anyone chose to follow the way of the colonized master. We are sheep among wolves. Jesus warns us of this in Matthew 10 verses 24 to 26. Verse 24, a disciple is not above his teacher, nor a servant above his master. Verse 25, it is enough for a disciple to be like his teacher and a servant like his master. If the head of the house has been called Beelzebul, how much more the members of his household? Verse 26, so do not be afraid of them. For there is nothing concealed that will not be disclosed, and nothing is hidden that will not be made known. The behavior that you see in the Black America gangster rap community today is trained behavior. No one made in God's image would claim sinful behavior as their culture. Black America gangster rap community gravitates to money, perverse talk, inappropriate sexual behavior, drugs, gun violence, no respect for human life, and non-compliance to the Spirit of God. I believe the federal government of America knew this, but failed to react to fix the problem for political power dominance to influence others around the world. This new colonization is like a flying dragon, that serpent of old, the great deceiver. The United States and Western powers are crawling on their belly, eating the dust of the world. This means they chasing things that will naturally burn up in the fire, and they want followers to follow them. Will you be their newly created a mock-up? We are sheep among wolves.